Okay, so now activity number 2 is DIY leaf paintbrush. Let's read the letter and then I'm gonna show you the materials and explain how to do it. I went on a hike, Miss Sophia, I went on a hike and found some pretty leaves and branches. And I thought to myself, what if we made something really unique with them? Perhaps paintbrushes. Why not? I tried it and it went really well. Now it's your turn. Gather your leaves and wind them with the rubber band and attach to the top of the tree stick. Ask your parents or an adult to help you if necessary. Set up the paper and paint on a recycled tray and the paint on the recycled tray and have fun. Don't forget to wear an art t-shirt or an apron, something to protect so you don't get paint on your clothes, okay? So here is what we're going to do. Let me put it over there. These are the materials. This is the kit that you got to make the DIY paintbrush. Alright, so in this kit, you had a recycled tray. Okay, this one is, you can wash and use it again. Okay, you don't need to throw it away. You can always use this one for art and crafts that you're gonna do at home, okay? So here you're gonna put the paint. You put the paint like this, the colors that you want, any colors. I suggested that you use green and orange too. So you can make orange, you know, right? It's yellow and red to make orange. Mix these two colors together to make the orange, all right? If you don't remember how to make orange, just check out inside the box, the color mixing chart, okay? The other materials that you got there are leaves, many different sizes. I got some long ones, long leaves, and the little ones, okay? And I left the stem in this one so you can stick them in the branches a little bit easier, so it's easier. And we're out here, the rubber bands, okay? These are the rubber bands. So you just gotta like get the leaves around. Let me hold it like this. And then you are going to use the rubber band to roll around and stick the leaves together. This. So if you are not sure of how to do this, you can ask mom or dad or any other adults that are around you, okay? This. Wait a second, I'm almost done. Like this. This is perfect already. Look how nice, it's a paintbrush. So you just got your paint here on the tray. Get the paintbrush and paint. Just create some art, okay? Have fun!